Hello. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Today, you are not here to study hard English. You are here to understand, slowly, easily. In this video, I will tell you a simple story. A story about a daily routine that changed everything. Just listen carefully. No pressure, no stress. Let's begin. If you are learning English, this video is perfect for you. Speak slowly in your mind. Repeat after me, and most important, don't skip, because this story will become more interesting as we go forward. There was a boy. His name was Arjun. Arjun had a problem. He was not confident. He wanted to speak English, but he was afraid. Every time he tried, he stopped, because he thought, what if I make a mistake? People will laugh. People will judge. So he stayed quiet. Day after day, nothing changed. Now think. Have you ever felt like this? Just think. Don't answer. Just feel it. I will just start small. So, next morning, he woke up early. Not very early, just a little earlier than usual. He sat quietly and started speaking. Very simple sentences, like, today is a good day. I will try. I can improve. Slowly, very slowly. Every day, he followed the same routine. Morning, he spoke for 5 minutes. Afternoon, he listened to English videos, slow English videos, just like this one. Night, he spoke again, just 5 minutes, not more. No pressure. Some days, he made mistakes, many mistakes, but he didn't stop. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. I am learning. I am improving. I am not afraid. Again. I am learning. I am improving. I am not afraid. After 1 week, nothing changed. After 2 weeks, still nothing. He felt bad. He wanted to quit. He thought, this is not working. But he remembered something. After 1 month, something small happened. He spoke 1 sentence, without fear. Just 1 sentence, but it was clear. It was confident. And he smiled, because this was his first step. Day by day he improved. His words became better. His confidence became stronger. People noticed. Not everyone, but some people. And that was enough. He didn't need everyone. He just needed progress. Now stop and think. What is stopping you? Fear, overthinking, or laziness? Think slowly. After 3 months, Arjun was different. He was still not perfect, but he was better. Much better. He could speak, he could understand, he could express, and most important, he was not afraid anymore. So what did he learn? He learned you don't need big steps. You need small steps. Every day. No pressure, no perfection, just consistency. Repeat with me. I will start small. I will not quit. If you understood this story, you are already improving. If you listen till the end, you are serious. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And remember, slow learning is strong learning. See you in the next video.